Every day you wait to get your money right in your 20s costs you a fortune. You're not just losing dollars, you're losing time, the one thing you can never get back. Neglecting your finances now means a lifetime of playing catch up, buried under stress and debt. So let's cut to it. First, you need a map. A budget isn't a cage, it's your financial GPS. It shows you where your money is actually going so you can finally tell it where you want it to go. This is the foundation for everything. Next, build a financial firewall, an emergency fund. Life will throw punches, a sudden car repair, a layoff. Without at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved, you're one bad day away from sinking into high-interest debt. Speaking of which, attack credit card debt like your life depends on it. It's financial quicksand designed to keep you trapped. Every dollar you pay in interest is a dollar stolen from your future self. Get rid of it. Then put your money to work. Start investing for retirement now. The magic of compound interest is most powerful in your 20s. Investing just $500 a month starting at 25 could get you close to $1 million by retirement. But wait until 30, you could miss out on hundreds of thousands. Don't let your hesitation cost your future. Finally, build good credit. Think of it as your financial reputation. A strong score will save you a fortune on loans for a car or a house. Pay your bills on time, every time, and keep your balances low. It's that simple. Your 30s can be a decade of building serious wealth or a decade of digging out of a hole. The choice you make today determines which one it will be. So here they are again, the 5 money moves to make before 30. 1. Create and stick to a budget. 2. Build a robust emergency fund. 3. Pay off high-interest debt. 4. Start investing early for retirement. And 5. Build and maintain good credit.